Have you ever wondered why light bends when it passes through different mediums? It's a question that may have puzzled you during a physics lesson or perhaps while observing a rainbow. This bending of light, known as refraction, is a fundamental principle of optics and plays a key role in our daily lives. From the vision clarity provided by our eyeglasses to the vibrant colors we see in a prism, understanding refraction helps us comprehend these marvels. So, let's dive into the science behind this fascinating phenomenon. Imagine you're running on a beach, then suddenly you hit the water. What happens to your speed? You slow down, right? This is because water is denser than air, and it takes more energy to move through it. Now let's apply this to light. Light travels at different speeds in different mediums. When light passes from one medium to another, like from air into water, it slows down and this causes it to change direction. This change in direction is what we call refraction, or light bending. Think of it like a car veering off when it hits a patch of mud. The wheels on one side slow down, causing the car to change direction. Similarly, when light hits a denser medium, it slows down and changes direction. This idea of slowing down is a bit of a simplification, but it helps us visualize how light behaves. So just like you, light also changes its path when it encounters a different medium. Now that we've grasped why light bends, let's explore the principles of optics involved. At the heart of this phenomenon is the principle of refraction. Simply put, refraction is the bending of light when it passes from one medium to another, like from air into water. The speed of light changes as it moves between these mediums, causing it to bend. But how much does it bend? That's where Snell's law comes into play. Snell's law is a formula used to describe the relationship between the angles of incidence and refraction, when referring to light or other waves passing through a boundary between two different mediums. It's named after Dutch astronomer Willebroord Snellius, who discovered the law in the 17th century, so the bending of light isn't random, it's governed by these principles, and there you have it. The mystery behind the bending of light all boiled down to some basic principles of optics. So, in a nutshell, why does light bend when it passes through different mediums? It's all about the change in speed when light moves from one medium to another, causing it to refract, or bend. This principle, known as Snell's law, is an essential part of optics. We've seen this in everyday life, from rainbows to eyeglasses. Remember, the world of light is full of fascinating phenomena waiting to be discovered. Click at Benkithateki on the screen and subscribe please for more enlightening content.